So tonight I'm making one of my favorites, Bruschetta Pasta. It's so simple. I have a pound of spaghetti broken in half in my Rock Dutch oven with 4 cups of vegetable broth. You can use chicken broth, whatever kind you like. Now it just goes in the microwave for 8 minutes. So I have 4 plum tomatoes cut up in my manual food processor. I'm going to process those with some olive oil and some garlic. So I've added 4 basil leaves cut up, and I pressed 4 cloves of garlic with my handy dandy garlic press, and added a 1/3 cup of olive oil, and now I will process it. This is the bruschetta sauce I'm going to add to the Rock Dutch oven. I gave the pasta a stir, and then I added the bruschetta mix and mix that all up. Now it's going to go back in the microwave for another 8 minutes, and it's done, and it looks delicious. And I had one of those little loaves of bread in the freezer, put it on my stone pan and baked it. We're good to go. And there you have it with some fresh Parmesan cheese grated over top. Looks good enough to eat.